What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is still trading slightly below 66,000. We're trading relatively the same as yesterday. We're trading currently at $64,085. Yesterday we were trading around that 64,000 price range, 64,500, somewhere around that price range, but similar to today's price. As you can see, Bitcoin is still trading on the 1 hour chart in this ascending like channel. So this channel is typically viewed as a more bullish channel, but it can also be bearish depending on the volume and the market and the economics surrounding the asset. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 4 touch points. As seen, drawn with the green marker within the channel, that is my prediction on what Bitcoin's price could do next in terms of trading. Again, that's just my opinion, and it also depends on the economic conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, very heavy, top-heavy news, informative news in our world of economics, especially pertaining to Bitcoin and the whole crypto asset class as a whole. As you can see above that top trend line, I've drawn an orange arrow to indicate that we could break that top trend line and go parabolic or go upward in price. Again, it just depends on the conditions of our economics. Same with the bottom orange arrow below the bottom trend line. We could break that bottom trend line, dip even further. Like I've stated, it depends on the macro conditions, but let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you see another pattern setup? What is your take, or do you use any other indicators? I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on Bitcoin's 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $64,100. So similar to the 1 hour chart, price hasn't changed that much. As you can see on this particular chart, Bitcoin is trading in this descending like channel pattern, so the opposite of the 1 hour chart. This particular chart pattern usually indicates a more bearish outlook, but it can have a more bullish outlook depending on the situation of the economics at that time. The Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, there's so much different things going on in the world of economics pertaining to Bitcoin and crypto that anything is possible. As you can see on the bottom trend line, this particular chart has 1 touch point and when you zoom and go to the top trend line, it has 2 touch points. As seen, drawn with the green marker within the channel, I do believe that is my prediction on what the price can do next for Bitcoin. Again, that is just my opinion. As seen with the top orange arrow above the top trend line, we could go parabolic, breaking that top trend line. As seen with the bottom trend line, we could break that bottom trend line and dip even further in price. Again, just depends on the macro conditions. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my chart setups for the 1 hour and 4 hour chart. Do you agree with them or not? Would you find another way, or do you have another way that you conduct your technical analysis, whether that's other patterns, other indicators, or any other tools? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.